Welcome to Astronomy Daily, your regular dive into the cosmos, where we explore the latest breakthroughs, discoveries, and ongoing missions shaping our understanding of space. I'm Anna.
And I'm Avery. Today we've got a packed show, from a groundbreaking new cargo spacecraft designed for rapid Earth re-entry to the potential bittersweet end of a legendary NASA mission, and even a Martian comet sighting. Let's get right into the astronomical action. First up, we're looking at a fascinating development in private spaceflight. A new company called Inversion is shaking things up with their ARC spacecraft, aiming to deliver cargo from orbit to Earth in under an hour. Anna, what's the big deal here, and how does this revolutionize space logistics?
This is quite the game changer, Avery, and frankly, a leap forward for responsive space capabilities. Inversion's ARC is a truly innovative concept, a reusable, autonomous vehicle, quite compact at 8 feet long and 4 feet wide, designed for rapid atmospheric reentry. Its primary target market is the U.S. military, offering unprecedented rapid delivery capabilities for critical components or supplies. Imagine meeting a specialized piece of equipment from orbit or even from a space station and having it on Earth's surface in less than 60 minutes. That's a logistical capability that simply doesn't exist today, and it holds immense strategic value. The ARC achieves this incredible speed by re-entering the atmosphere at hypersonic velocities, exceeding 20 times the speed of sound. This isn't just about raw speed, it's about mastering the incredibly complex physics of precision re-entry and recovery, which has always been a significant challenge for space vehicles. Their first mission is slated for 2026, and if successful, it could open up entirely new paradigms for military operations and disaster response. Beyond its immediate cargo role, it's also being considered as a crucial testbed for other hypersonic technologies, which speaks to its versatility and the potential broader impact on aerospace engineering. This initiative represents a significant step towards making space logistics truly responsive, efficient, and integrated into terrestrial operations. It could even pave the way for faster, more routine returns of scientific samples or even small manufacturing batches from space. From future tech to a beloved current mission, next we turn our attention to NASA's Juno probe, which has been dutifully orbiting Jupiter since 2016. However, there's a developing situation that could bring its mission to an unexpected close, Avery. Can you fill us in on the details and the potential implications?
It's a really unfortunate and frustrating turn of events, Anna, stemming directly from the ongoing U.S. government shutdown. Due to the lack of appropriations and personnel, NASA hasn't been able to officially confirm whether Juno's mission, which was initially extended due to its extraordinary success, will continue past its current scheduled end date, which was September 30th, 2025. This uncertainty is disheartening, because Juno has been an absolute workhorse, far exceeding its initial 20-month mission. It has provided incredible, unprecedented data on Jupiter's deep atmosphere, its intense and complex magnetic field, and even performed close, dramatic flybys of its fascinating Galilean moons like Ganymede, Europa, and Io, giving us stunning new insights into these worlds. The possibility of an early, or at least unconfirmed, end means a significant multi-year gap in dedicated close-up Jupiter observations. The next mission, explicitly designed to study the Jovian system, the Europa Clipper, isn't set to arrive until 2030, and even then, its primary focus is Europa. That's a huge observational void for our largest planetary neighbor, and it's a stark reminder of how political and budgetary issues can critically impact vital scientific endeavors, especially when a mission is still performing so well and delivering such valuable science. We can only hope for a swift resolution to the shutdown that allows NASA to continue this crucial mission. Moving from current missions to the distant, chaotic past of our own planet, a new study offers a dramatic explanation for how early Earth became habitable. It seems a cataclysmic collision played a much larger role than we previously thought in delivering life's essential ingredients. Anna, tell us about this new perspective on the impact of Theia.
This research, published in Science Advances, really reinforces and expands upon the idea that Earth's formation was quite violent, yet ultimately beneficial for life. Scientists now suggest that early Earth formed remarkably quickly, coalescing from the protoplanetary disk, but initially it was a very dry, barren world, severely lacking crucial elements for life, like water, carbon, nitrogen, and other volatile compounds. These are the building blocks, not just of life itself, but of a habitable environment. The game changer, according to this study, was indeed a massive collision with a Mars-sized object named Theia. While the Theia impact is widely accepted as the event that formed our moon, this new study emphasizes that Theia wasn't just a moon maker, it was a life giver. It delivered these essential volatile compounds to our young planet, profoundly reshaping its composition and setting the stage for the oceans and atmosphere necessary for life to emerge. This highlights a critical point for astrobiology. A planet's habitability isn't solely about its distance from its star, what we typically call the habitable zone. It's also deeply tied to its unique, sometimes chaotic historical events, like grand collisions that can either sterilize a world or, in Earth's case, provide the very ingredients for existence. It adds another fascinating layer of complexity to the ongoing search for exoplanets capable of supporting life, suggesting we might need to look beyond just orbital distance and consider a planet's violent cosmic past. Shifting gears to the space industry's economic and political landscape, there's news regarding a major European satellite manufacturing merger that could have reshaped the global market. It seems talks have stalled, Avery, which could have significant implications for Europe's competitive stance. What's happening?
That's absolutely right, Anna. Discussions between three of Europe's major aerospace and defense players, Airbus, Thales, and Leonardo, aimed at consolidating their satellite manufacturing capabilities, have reportedly hit a significant snag. The core issue appears to be persistent disagreements over workshare and control within the proposed new entity. Each company naturally wants to secure a favorable position and a substantial slice of the future entity's operations, leading to protracted and ultimately stalled negotiations. The whole strategic point of this potential merger was to create a unified European powerhouse that could better compete with rapidly expanding global players, particularly Elon Musk's SpaceX, which has fundamentally reshaped not only the satellite launch landscape, but also manufacturing with its Starlink constellation. A unified European entity would have brought together vast expertise, engineering talent, and financial resources, improving efficiency, fostering innovation, and crucially, allowing for economies of scale. If these talks collapse completely, it leaves Europe's space industry more fragmented, potentially making it harder to scale up production, reduce costs, and keep pace with the rapid advancements and aggressive pricing strategies being achieved by non-European competitors. It's a critical moment for European space strategy, highlighting the challenges of achieving industrial consolidation even when the strategic imperative is clear. The outcome will certainly influence Europe's role in the increasingly competitive global space economy.
Finally, let's head over to Mars, where NASA's Perseverance rover might have captured something truly special. On October 4th, it snapped an image of a streak of light in the Martian sky, a sighting that has excited scientists. Anna, could this be our first interstellar visitor observed from another planet?
That's the overwhelming consensus and the strong belief among the scientific community, Avery. While NASA hasn't officially confirmed it, again due to the frustrating ongoing government shutdown, scientists are highly confident this image depicts interstellar comet 3I Atlas. This sighting perfectly coincides with the comet's closest approach to the red planet, making the timing impeccable. It's an incredibly exciting prospect because observing an interstellar object, a traveler beyond our solar system from another celestial body like Mars, is an unprecedented feat. It offers a unique perspective that we simply couldn't get from Earth, allowing us to potentially study its trajectory and composition in new ways. Of course, the internet being the internet, some initially speculated about alien spacecraft due to the image's peculiar, cylindrical, or elongated shape. However, scientists have quickly and humorously clarified that this visual distortion is entirely due to the camera's long integration time, essentially blurring the comet's rapid path across the Martian sky into a streak. It's a fantastic testament to Perseverance's advanced imaging capabilities, even while a significant portion of NASA's operations are temporarily offline. Other spacecraft, including those from the European Space Agency, or ESA, were also scheduled to attempt observations of this rare interstellar visitor, adding to the collective effort to gather data on 3I Atlas as it makes its fleeting pass through our cosmic neighborhood. It's truly a once-in-a-lifetime observation. And that wraps up another fascinating edition of Astronomy Daily. From hypersonic cargo delivery transforming space logistics to cosmic collisions that dramatically shaped our world, and even interstellar comets streaking across Martian skies, it's clear the universe is never short on surprises.
Absolutely, Anna. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed diving into these stories as much as we did. Make sure to subscribe, leave a review, and visit our website for more in-depth articles, stunning images, and links to the research we discussed. You won't want to miss our next episode.
For Astronomy Daily, I'm Anna, reminding you to keep looking up.
And I'm Avery. Clear skies.